Tint Talk here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Today we have this blue tint that we had purchased from the Vvivid shop. I'll be posting a link in the description right under the box, so make sure you check that out because they got some good stuff over there. Alrighty, so we'll get right into it. Now, this blue tint that I have put on the window on a blue Subaru, it came in pretty flush. I didn't think the blue would come in so bluish, as you can see here. And even when you back up, it really doesn't matter. You still get that actual blue tint in there. So it's not just like how you tint a window and it just kind of looks bluish, or it kind of looks, you know, whatever color it's gonna look. This is actually just blue. It's pretty bright blue. It's actually pops. It doesn't really matter whether you close the door or open it. I can close it and you still get that blue popping straight through. So this tint, when you apply it, it shrinks just like normal tint. Now, is it just as elastic? It's not just as stretchy, and it doesn't compress and stretch as much as regular tint, but it definitely you can definitely get the job done. It doesn't have as much fingers or anything like that when you shrink. I haven't tried doing the windshield yet, but I will do the windshield and I'll put out a video as soon as I can for you guys. I'm going to be shrinking that and show you guys how that process goes. But as for shrinking this front window, it's just about the same as you would shrink any other window. Now, the only thing I did, you know, because I usually snap shrink, I did snap shrink it and it worked out pretty well. We'll open this again. Now, the only thing that is going to get you on these color tints are the pricing. The pricing is it's pretty steep compared to, you know, a probably a 100-foot roll that you would get off of just, you know, from your normal supplier of tint. But as for offering this for a special service or something like that, it's definitely worth it. And even if it's, you know, just your own car and you're trying to install this, it's definitely probably worth the effort once you get it on there, because even this car is blue and it has blue tint and it's still showing up. If you have a white car, it's just going to look that more prominent on it. So what I plan on doing is going blue all around and getting it in for you guys. But as for now, I would definitely recommend this blue tint, and I would give it a 5 out of 5 star review. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Come back to the channel. See ya.